HTML blocks. So to understand what I'm talking about, so about blocks, we have to understand that HTML elements can be of two categories. So the block elements and the inline elements. Block elements are all the elements between the tag P or H1 to H6, UL, OL, DL, so the list, pre, HR / block quote address, and so on. So that means that these elements, so once we have a text or a HTML part within their tag, the next element and the element before it are displayed in a way that they are on different lines. So a paragraph will stay after a text above or an image and so on, not on the same line, and this next element next to the paragraph will go to the line below. So that means like they have like a carriage return at the end. Okay, then there are other characters like B for bold, I for italics, U, EM, strong, and so on. You see the list here. That means that they can stay in the same line of others. Okay, these are the inline elements. The most important inline and block elements, or let's say the most important block elements and inline elements, are the div and the span. These two elements are just used to introduce styles to group of elements, nothing else. So everything that is between the div tags and the span tags is done to give the elements inside the same styles, the same CSS. For the div case, everything is a block, so the other elements before all this block of elements and after are displayed in new lines. In case of the span, are inline. So let's see an example. So here we are. You see here, if I put here paragraph and italics, okay, and here, okay, this is inline. Okay, so I stay on the same line of following. Okay, but this block will be okay in a new line after this paragraph. So paragraph also is a block. H4 is also a block. And div, everything that is between these two is also a block. So this second part, you see, will be on the new line. And the fact is that you see here the style is color red. That means that everything here is red. And for this one, color green. That means that everything will be green. Okay, let's see this blocks. Okay, you see everything is in red. So here everything is in red, and the second one everything is in green. Okay, exactly as this one. Okay, very good. Now you going to see the oh, I didn't save it. So if I'm going to reload it, you see this is also italics. Okay. The second example is related to span. Here you see that I have span within a paragraph. So this introduces an inline element only to give a style. You see here the property or attribute style to what is here. So I use span. Okay, so that means I isolate an element to give a different style, and this would be inline, so we stay on the same line. See, also this one is in a span, and in fact, if I'm going to execute this, see, this is red, this is green, and these two are in line with the rest of the sentence.